So today we are going to see bounding body command. Bounding body command generally used for to create box shape solid body surrounded by a selected geometry. Or nothing but it is created a reference volume around the geometry, and we can use this volume for further analysis or dimensioning types of or other use. Okay, so let's go. You can search this command in command finder, otherwise go to the menu, insert, and in offset scale and in bounding body. First of all, refresh this command and go to the more. Okay, I'm selecting first block, and in selected object go to the no selection filter and change to solid body and select this body. If you want to select surface body, or you going to check surface body, then you select the surface body anyway. Okay, so here along xyz it shows the dimensions. Okay, this is z, this is x, and this is y. Sorry, this is x, z, and y. Okay, so this is a 54.9515, same along y, 54.9515 along z 12 mm. So let's see what is the main different fan in this command. Okay, so in orientation you should be choose along the WCS reference as a WCS, otherwise it creates problem while selecting the body and creating reference volume around the geometry. Okay, then we move towards the parameters. Suppose I check uncheck this uniform offset, then this offset will be disabled. Okay, so it's better if you want to offset, uh, add offset to this reference volume, then check this box, otherwise keep it as disable. Okay, in size rounding, suppose this is a 55.9515, this is a 54.95, right? So I want to this rounded up, to round it up, then go to the size rounding and add volume as a 1, and change to nearest zero volume, that is the 55, 55, and 12 mm. Okay, and the next here in settings, uh, always check this show size dimension. We can easily see this xyz dimension. If you uncheck this, then you can't see the dimension. Okay, so it's better to see this show size dimension. Okay, next, suppose this is standard. Okay, standard value. I want 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm in every side, so I'm putting value here 5 mm. Okay, so if you see the arrow, along this arrow the material added at the 5 mm in each and every. Okay, after checking this I'm clicking OK. Now case is, so at every side of block they added the 5 mm value more than. Okay, so the case is about 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 this, at this frame I don't want the 5 mm value, then just go to the offset, value the 5 mm, select the face, it has a negative, click OK. Remember, animation is go. Let's see the how you can change this translucency. Just press the Ctrl J, that's the class selection. Select this object, click OK. Here in shaded display, translucency 50%. If you decrease this, then this create a perfect solid. It shows the perfect solid. Okay, and if you increase, it's make more transparent. Okay, so better to keep as it is, that is a 50. Click OK. Then next I'm going to delete this offset region to showing cylinder type of method, and in bounding body I'm going to change 5 to 0, means make as is standard. Okay, click OK. So if you see this is perfectly match. Showing on the top all four faces, and along this one also match, and this side also match. Okay, so we're going to hide this one and go again to the bounding body, insert offset scale bounding body. Now refresh this command, reset, select cylinder, go to the solid body, select this body. Remember this, create the one cylinder. Okay, same way you can add the offset and size rounding. It's already rounded off, that's why I'm not putting the any value here. And because of this is shows as dimensions, it's showing the dimension. Okay, so I'm clicking OK now. Here there is 0 value. After clicking OK, you can see the difference. I'm activated the block one also. Seeing on the top view, you can see by using a block method, this is the extra material, this is extra volume. So according to your use or your application, you can use the method. Okay, by simply suppose here in this method I want 5 mm each and every side, and along Z both plus and minus and not what, these are not required, right? So better to go again to the offset 5 mm, click on this one negative, and this face also. So you can and go to the class selection, make it 0, click OK. So along Z it's become 0, and if you use the transparent along X and Y, it's along radially it's become 5 mm, increases 5 mm. Okay, so along your application, along your use, you can use this method. Okay, which method you want to prepare. Okay, thank you.